Still copying invoice data one by one into Excel? Let me show you how Speedbots makes this effortless. With Speedbots AI Invoice Generator, exporting invoices to Excel is completely flexible. You decide what data you want and how you want it. You can export all invoices in one go, or filter them by date range, customer details, invoice information, or payment status. You can also choose exactly which fields to include, such as customer info, invoice numbers, line items, totals, taxes, or simply select everything with one click. This is especially useful for manual reconciliation. Once the data is in Excel, you can easily match invoices against bank statements, payment records, or accounting systems without retyping anything. The result is a clean, structured Excel file that's ready to use immediately. No manual errors, no messy spreadsheets, and no wasted time. In short, Speedbots turns invoice data into usable Excel reports that support both reporting and reconciliation.